friends, what's going now? Hope you're fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in Ecomi in the Ecomi crypto. What's the changes occur in the Ecomi in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. So before starting this video, if you listen to my voice, please hit the subscribe button right now and wish my heart. I need your support, I need your subscription. I'm waiting for your subscription, so kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I know you're subscribed to my channel. Now let's see what's the price changes occur in Ecomi and Army price prediction. Let's see what price changes occur in the Army. Oh my god, it's a absolutely good day for all. My day is also good. What's your day? I think the Army holders is also in a good day because the Army is jumping upward. It's Army day, man, celebrate it. As you can see here, the changes is also in positive. 5.19% changes occur in the Army, and the last 2 hours, that's the only last 2 hour changes occur in the Army. So absolutely good change. Congratulations to all Army holders. As you can see here, the high price of Army in the last 2 hours is $0.010693 is the high price of Army in the last 2 hours. Now let's see the changes of the Army in the previous last 1 hour. Oh my god, absolutely good news. Absolutely, I really like Army. If you want to make money on the crypto market, so it's the best opportunity to buy Army and make a good amount of money. As you can see now on the graph, the Army jumping upward, so the money is good, it's good for making a high amount of money. Army make you rich, man. As you can see here, because they're jumping upward. As you can see here, it's really make you rich, man. If you want to make money in the crypto markets, the Army is the best opportunity for you. As you can see here, the change is the last 1 hour. That's the last 1 hour result you are watching now. That is the last 1 hour changes you are watching now. The last 1 hour changes of Army is about a positive 5.55% change occur in the Army in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, and the high price of Army as $0.010693 is the high price of Army. It's absolutely good news. So my suggestion as to buy Army and make yourself a rich man. What's your suggestion? What's your suggestion about Army holders? Please share in the comment box. Is Army good for investment or not? Please share in the comment. Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel because I update you every hour from new cryptocurrency market.